Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Suno app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Suno app and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press that bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.